Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase: a compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access, using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Elevator Appointment Tracking Database. So you're going to want to go ahead and scroll up a ways here and go to our appointment and scheduling section, and you're going to want to click on the Access Elevator Appointment Tracking Database. And you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you have. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once that downloads, go ahead and open it. And you're going to want to extract all of that file. So go ahead and extract all. Extract, and once you've extracted that, go ahead and open it. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open it. And along with all of our database templates, as always, you get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like for anything that you need. However, I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this for now. And so this is an elevator appointment tracking system. So if you owned an elevator company, maybe you build elevators or maybe you work on fixing elevators, this would be perfect for you to keep track of all your appointments that you have. And now if you watch this demonstration and you really like the template but you don't own an elevator repair or an elevator company, but you want to make it compatible for your own company, which is a different type of company, feel free to contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can customize this database template to fit the exact company that you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and start this demonstration off by creating a new customer. We're just going to name them. I'll just put my name in. And I'll just put in IT, why not? Email, I'm going to put in a fake email, test.com. As you can see, you can fill out a lot of information on this page. You can even put in multiple different kinds of phone numbers. I'll just put in one phone number, why not? I'm not going to fill out all the information just for the sake of the demonstration. However, you can see you can put in addresses for your business, for your home. You can even put notes about a customer, your call history with the customer, your appointment history, your payment history, lots of detailed stuff. And you can even put a picture of the customer. So it's pretty cool, and it's a pretty detailed section. So I'm just going to go ahead and save and close this for now. And what I can do now is I can search for that customer. So I'm just going to go ahead and search by my last name. Hit search, and there's that customer I just created, Blake Bundy. And you can even double click on it if you want to edit the information some more. We are not going to edit it, however, for now. Let's go ahead and cancel that. Go ahead and close this. And so now I'm going to show you guys how to make an appointment for this database. So go ahead and view the schedule calendar. And as you can see, we have the monthly view, the bi-weekly view, so every 2 weeks, and the weekly view, as well as the daily view, which the daily view is what we're going to be using today. And we're going to make an appointment for 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So double click this time slot right here. Just go ahead and double click it. And our customer, we're going to put in my name, the one that we just did. Our employee, we're going to go person 1, and then the type, we'll put repair. Location, we'll make it easy, just put location 1. And now we're going to have to change this to 9 a.m. Oh, right there. So 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And as you can see, even if you're going to have multiple workers be working on this specific elevator or this specific project, you can even put in multiple workers. Put P5, put in JE. I mean, just a bunch of different workers you can have working on one project. And you can even put in how they're going to pay for this specific project. So now if we go back to appointment details, we're going to change the color of the appointment. So we're going to make it red. And it's going to change the color here. But as well as it's going to change on the calendar. And that's important because if you were to have multiple appointments back to back to back or something like that, if you made each one a different color, you would really be able to tell the times of the appointments and it would keep them separated. So it's good for organization. So we're going to go ahead and save and close that. And there's that appointment I just made. Repair at location 1. You can view it in the monthly view. And there it is, repair. So it's pretty cool. This is a pretty detailed database. And as I said, you can also search for like a specific day. So I believe I did today, which is the 21st. I could be mistaken. Nope, I did. So you run search, and this is all the appointments for the 21st. Now, if I had multiple appointments, let's say I had 5 appointments, so a busy day, and you wanted to just view that day to like keep track of all your appointments, this would be great because you could search for that day and it would show all your appointments in a row. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and close out of this for now. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. Also, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those. We post quite frequently on there. Once again, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.